Today I'm making salt mackerel rundown. Have my onions and I have some frozen bell peppers. Today I'm making salt mackerel rundown. I will put in some coconut milk in there, some okra. There's my dumpling and my yams. Wait for the final result. Onions, frying with some olive oil. And there goes my bell pepper. Let's give this a stir. Hold on, people. This is a quick video I'm making for you guys. Let's add some black pepper. Tup, 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 tup. Let's add a little bit of veggie seasoning right here. Alright, so I'm going to add my salt mackerel to the pot. I'm trying to be resourceful, so don't do what I'm doing. Alright, now that I make it inside the pot, I'm gonna let this smells so good. Simmer for a little bit, then add my okra. Whew, Lord! Quick check on the pot. I think I can add the okras now. Hold on 1 second. Oh Lord! You see that? Let me add the okras and I'll be right back. The okras have been added. You see that, baby? Let me stop. Let me stop. Alright. Just gonna give this like 3 minutes. The okra is already cooked. Oh, baby. Ooh. I'm gonna go over here and get the food out in the plate. So, I don't eat much. Just gonna have a piece of white yam. Look here, I don't style my dumpling them. Woo, baby! I can't get this to pour out without it being messy. I'm sorry, baby. Alrighty, alright. That's salt mackerel rundown with some okras. Got my corn, my this brown flour, but you know them don't need good, but you know what I'm saying. We just run a quick boat. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture, and that's it. Thanks for watching.